Okay, now we are on your moment before. Your moment before you start speaking. What you absolutely do not want to do is just be sitting there and then it's my turn to talk. Or go blank when you're on stage. Oh, watch this. It makes me sad. You can tell when somebody's just, it's not my turn. Now I'm acting. Not my turn. Now I'm acting. No. Be living and breathing the whole time. Okay. And that has specifically, why am I talking about this? Oh, the moment before. In your moment before, you should know where you just came from, how you feel before you even start the scene. Bring that with you. What were you doing right before you started speaking? That has to be clear. A lot of times the scene starts when we watch television and see how often we open up into the wide shot or the master shot and we see the whole room and something's going on and it's already in motion, and then we have a close-up of someone. So something was already happening before we zoomed in on you. What was it? Know what you were saying in your mind, body, and soul, even though we never see you say it. And then one of my coaches, I'm going to give him a shout out, John Taylor Gross. I never would have thought of this. He asked me one day in coaching, what was before my moment before? That was really cool, because you could go to my Actors Access, or I think right now it's on my DawnnieMercado.com, but I'm kind of changing that right now. Maybe I'll link it below so you know what I'm talking about. But in this original content that I wrote from improv, and then I had one of my friends write it for me, and I've recorded it, and it's on Actors Access. The point of this being in this story, I have a point, I promise. It is late, but I do have a point. I'm in the hospital waiting for my brother in this scene to get better. I'm watching him, I'm praying, I'm hoping, I'm crying, I'm talking to his husband. I'm like hoping he comes out of this coma. But where was I before that? And how does that affect how I begin the scene? Was I pacing outside? Did I have to take 3 buses and a train to get here? Is this the Lower East Side and I live on the Upper East Side? Is it Santa Monica and I live in, I don't know, Tehachapi, and I had to drive 2.5 hours? I did that recently, actually. I had to, in the middle of the day, going to Ojai from Tehachapi, takes 2.5 hours without a pit stop. Took 3 hours. Did you just do that before the scene started? All of that will enrich your character and your jumping off point. Not only that, it'll help you not be nervous in the room, because you're bringing all of that with you. You don't have time to be worried about whether or not they're writing on their notepad while you're acting, and you've got all this. It's in your soul. So figure that out for yourself. What were you doing before you started speaking in this scene? And write that on your script somewhere. What was your moment before? See you in the next lesson.